Segway Ninebot S and S Max. Smart balancing electric scooter with LED light, powerful and portable, compatible with Gokart kit. Hi, welcome my friend. The Ninebot S Max offers a range of up to 23.6 miles, maximum speed of 12.4 miles per hour, dependent on the riding habits and terrain. The Ninebot S Max is equipped with two hub motors and an air-cooled battery pack of 432 watt-hours. Designed for your safety, the S Max engine automatically stops when detecting unusual movements, such as lifting or falling. The hand-controlled steering wheel delivers added control and extra stability. With its compact size, it can easily fit in the trunk of a car, so you can enjoy the Ninebot S Max anywhere you go. Add the Ninebot Go-Kart kit, experience the same force performance as the Go-Kart Pro. With Go-Kart kit, the top speed limit will be unlocked from 12.4 miles per hour to 23 miles per hour. Please scan the QR code for the listing for assembly steps. Easy to learn. With the adjustable control bar, you can extend or shorten the steering wheel to your desired height. With the Segway Ninebot app, you can learn how to safely ride the S Max, customize the red LED light, adjust speed controls, and more. Quality assurance. With our innovative lean steer technology, Ninebot S Max responds to operation within 0.01 second sensitivity, detecting every single movement, ensuring a smoother ride. Please contact our after-sales service team if you have any problem. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.